Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of the key functionality within the We Schedule It digital platform. We're going to start by walking you through the online appointment scheduler. This is the web-based application that you and your staff as service providers will use to define appointment availability, create multiple locations, and publish all your service categories. We will then show you the booking app, used by your clients to make and view appointments on their smartphone, as well as cancel and reschedule in-app and get directions to their appointment too. So let's get started with the online appointment scheduler. Click on your preferred browser, open up a new tab and type in the URL provided. It's that simple to sign in. Your journey begins in the organisation page, where you manage and maintain everything about your workplace. You can define and update the locations from which you deliver your services, the times that those locations are open, the services that are made available at those locations, and whether those appointments are one-to-one or group appointments. With the services defined and located, and with a forward view on the planned availability, you will now head to the Employees page to set up the staffing of those services. The Employees page is where you hold details of your employees, what services they have the skills to provide, and when they're available to provide it. The search function allows you to pull up a list of who works at which location or delivers which service. Adding a new employee is easy. Simply fill in the details in the pop-up page. The employee dashboard allows each individual to change their availability on a dynamic basis. At this point, we now have an automatically generated schedule of staffed appointments that can be viewed and booked by your clients. By clicking on the appointments page, you can see all of these appointments in detail. As the available appointments get taken up by a client, then they move from booked to scheduled to past due. So you have a complete view of your available capacity and utilisation on any given date. The appointments page is also where your team can create new appointments for those customers unable to book using the booking app. Every appointment is captured in one of our reports, including cancellations and DNAs, as service providers see the status of any individual booking in a calendar or row view. Lastly, in the unlikely event of a system problem or if you need some advice, then the WSI team is just a click away with our dedicated support page. Your team can raise a ticket and know it's been worked on by We Schedule It. We now transition to the other side of this simple process. Your customers using the booking app on a smartphone to book, cancel, and reschedule their appointments. Start by choosing a desired location. Pick the service from the menu of options, and if the service is chargeable, enter the card details to pay the appropriate fee. Then, select an available date and time. The booking app helps customers keep track of their appointments, with dashboard screens showing bookings and what's upcoming, as well as provide directions to every appointment. The service provider can also send SMS and email notifications to confirm appointments and provide timely reminders. Appointments can be cancelled or rescheduled directly in the booking app at any point, with no need to waste time calling, leaving a voicemail, or sending an email providing the update. Customers can manage their profile and personalise it too. So, that's We Schedule It, a complete digital platform for automating the creation and publishing of services availability for providers, and a booking app for customers to book and manage their appointments, saving time for service providers, making time for their customers, a secure system, rapid to deploy, simple to understand, and seamless to use.